So only with this video, Matoma can share button share this video. Only something our you two are in a day make it. Go. Sometimes I'm no envy or jealousy. Or bitterness. But let me believe that not ignorant. Because in equal malo ibezie. So no one can call malo. Man atolo feke. Ufenyisi nofia. Most often he posts to videos of our successful men in Southeast. Let me use Nnewi for instance. He posts to a video of maybe Ndogalanya. One of Ndogalanya in Nnewi. You are saying something about them, or you posted their house, or you posted their cars, or you know, you will hear some people coming to comment section to tell you, Kongole Gonina, Gonu Kone Meka Ishalai. Komele Gonina, Gono Meka, Oluilo do na Newi, Neka Newi do, na Newi na Abrage na Hanwell Ndogalanya, but Neki lo hado. As in ignorance sometimes now a disease. But can do ganya. Any ego mado ata no wa. Wo choice ye ko ije wemi fortune ije weme. You cannot tell that person if ye jega weme. E whatara. E mana say na alou gba aho. Owulo menana. Yeah? It is out of their own discretion to use that money for any purpose. However, I am not saying that no ego, na God will bless you, that you should not bless your town or that you should not bless your people. But I am saying that it is not an entitlement. However, each time Umadu call the government out to come and do what they are supposed to do, that is insane, man. If I will go near government and I call out, collective resources of me and you. I think you should learn how to hold the right people accountable. You see Governor Soludo and other state governors moving around with bulletproof cars and a convoy of over 20-something to 30 vehicles. You don't do anything. If you say her video, they are on a movement. They are on a movement with their convoy. He say, the executive governor of Anambra State. You share it. You share video of Yeso Wike, Ebe Obu Moto Edelu FCT 1. Man, he post to 006 Beto. Uwe Otakasewaga aho. Ifilu, why you go Rolls Royce? Why no Chabo Hilo do Nilo? Dona Newi. Ifu video eba na call governor. Eseba CJ Jide. Ndogayano na Newi. Why na haya biarilo? Imo ni ifeke emaho. The same thing with so many communities. I am not saying that they should now although out of that person's discretion that we cannot appeal to the person or call out that person, but it is not an entitlement. That sense of entitlement is what I am preaching against. That sense of entitlement to the state government and federal government. But when we call them out, you will jump out. When we call them out, you will jump out. But those people, you see them moving around with exotic cars, building houses, opening those houses. If for the house, you need to knife for the former governor of Anambra State, knife for Gabe governor, knife for Moto governor, if for governors who were better an education. On our togo. Man, I call Z out to that governor to come and show the workings. Why je onye tara afufu we chute ego ye iyabon mmadụ ụfọdụ ndị na-ekwu ife a nweta ego, they won't even give their brothers or sisters. Ụfọdụ ndị na-ekwu ife a nweta ego, they won't even give their immediate relatives. Manya fozie nke ije pụta wee bịa lụwala obodo ọlụ. Ịma na asị na ikwu amahọ ibezie. And sometimes I don't believe in ife a na envy and jealousy. Na ife a na-ada awụwa anya ukwu. Because if not anyuku, mmadụ chụwa ego n'ụwa achụtacha ego decide ije jegoro moto 50 billion. Ọ gbasara. You should be concerned about if Soludo ji ego ume. You should be concerned about if Bola Ahmed Tinubu ji ego ume. You should be concerned about if your senator, your House of Rep member, your House of Assembly member ji ego ume. But you don't care. Ana put these people out, both the ministers and don't do it. Ana put her out. On a defend never. You are interested in individuals gonna find out the same afufu. They just managed to break through the stress dị n'obodo a kpata ego debe ihe agwa ifo ya eji ego eme. Yes, ama sometimes we also call their attention to the needful, but allow us ndị Nnewi to do it, not you. Allow us ndị Nnewi to do it, because when we talk to them, we are calling them out as our brothers. To tell them, because if government cannot do this, help us to do this. Or because we influence you, we call our government to come and do this for us. That is what we are doing, because no night it is not left for you to come and tell us, or to come and tell somebody how they are going to spend their money. So they cannot buy Rolls Royce, they cannot buy private jet, they cannot buy cruise ships, because they need to carry their own personal resources. Where they are government will guy, some of you, correct. I'm sorry to say that. You change that mentality. We change that mentality. How can you hold your fellow statesman accountable more than the executive governor of a state? Your fellow state or countryman, he show more accountability to you. Nego jeke ake pata carrier governor not in charge of ego state here inwe. For the name na ama hive enye ego government he rie ntu osi we mase ha ifuzi ogaranya ji gbatalụ mbọ wele ego ejegori ife gori ya epụta odu koye explain lu ifo ye ji ego eme eposuru Rolls Ibeto e na asị kere ile oye bu egbe gbasalụ ile ahụ ibu moto nke ga agba ka oye bu egba ile ahụ iji ọkpa ga ha aga ka oye ji ega ile ahụ ọkada na-ebu aga na ka oye ebu ega o mebi oje ruo ọhanga ugorie ye fo gbasara ya ka oye ji ego eme. You gotta go. So share this video.